Hi everyone, in this video we will take a look at how to baseline our project. So when our Gantt is finished, we should baseline our project to compare the plan versus actual. So let's go into a tracking Gantt to understand what that feature do. And I will go into project, set baseline, and click on the set baseline. For the moment, I won't change anything, but you would be able to just baseline some task and not the whole project. We'll talk about that later. And let's go and baseline this. And now we will be able to see what is the plan and make some change to the actual. So, for example, that task might have started at 12 instead of 8, and I will be able to see the impact on my critical path, see the impact on the whole project, and that's the way you should track your project. And I can now change the time and change the date. So if you find this content useful, like the video, subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on the MS Project and tracking Shutdown. And please tell me in the comment down below if you're using that feature. See you in the next video.